Midjourney vs DALL-E 3 vs Stable Diffusion. I ran the same 10 prompts through all three. Same inputs, completely unbiased. Let me show you what I found. For photorealism, Midjourney version 6 wins. The skin textures, lighting, and environmental detail are noticeably better than both DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. If you need convincing product photos or realistic portraits, Midjourney is the clear choice. For illustration and stylized art, Stable Diffusion wins by a wide margin. The range of art styles available through community models is unmatched. You can generate anime, oil paintings, pixel art, and architectural sketches that Midjourney and DALL-E simply can't match. For logo and branding work, DALL-E 3 wins. Midjourney and Stable Diffusion both struggle with text in images. DALL-E 3 handles typography in images significantly better. For speed, DALL-E 3 through ChatGPT is fastest, about 4 seconds per image. Midjourney takes 15 to 30 seconds. Stable Diffusion local can be under a second if you have a decent GPU. For price, Stable Diffusion is free if you run it locally. DALL-E 3 is included in ChatGPT Plus. Midjourney is $10 minimum per month. The winner depends on your use case. For YouTube thumbnails and marketing materials, use DALL-E 3 for free through ChatGPT. For artistic projects, use Stable Diffusion. Midjourney is best if image quality is your absolute top priority and you don't mind the cost. Subscribe for weekly AI tool comparisons. I'll tell you exactly what I actually use and why.